Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Diversity, Gender and Inclusive Education. The cover of this book is very nice. It completely suits with the title of the book. It's a ETT second year book, bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. This book is of, it's in Punjabi medium. And this book is strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT Punjab. It is as per the new syllabus pattern. Vinod Publications book is the most trusted publishing firm of India. Let's now review this book, again a bestseller book. So first of all, let's go to the syllabus. Unit 1 Inclusive Education, then topics. Unit 2 Children with Special Needs, Unit 3 Gender, School and Society. So now we have to check out the contents and verify the contents with the syllabus, whether contents cover everything of syllabus or not. Like Unit 1 Inclusive Education, meaning, characteristics, aims and objectives and assumptions of inclusive, then meaning, characteristics, aim, assumption. Then it is, so many things are given. Tail strategies for assessment of inclusive education. Let's check this out, verified with syllabus. Inclusive education, meaning, characteristics, aim, objective. Till as you can check this out. Assessment for inclusive education, you can check this out. So it is completely there on Unit 1. Let's check out now Unit 2. Historical and contemporary perspective to disability and inclusion, perspective to disability, learning disability, dyslexia, orthopedic impaired children. So check out Unit 2. Historical and contemporary perspective to disability and inclusion, impaired orthopedic handicaps. Unit 2, it's completely there. So now let's check out Unit 3 Gender, School and Society, social construction of masculinity and femininity, and patriarchy in interaction with other social identities, meaning of gender equality, importance of education for gender equality, till student teacher interactions in classroom for reproducing gender. So let's verify it. Unit 3 social construction of masculinity and femininity, gender equality, till reproducing gender in school curriculum for teaching, textbook and student teacher interaction. It's completely there. All the 3 units are completely there, there's no doubt about that. And also the contents are covered in both English and Punjabi language, so that if you are easy in reading English language, you can still buy this book and understand everything from the contents also. And now we have to check whether the page number which are mentioned in front of context are accurate or not. For example, if I go to page 268, whether I find speech impaired children or not. Check out one page 268. Speech impaired children, page 268 is completely there. So page numbers are also very accurately mentioned. Also the topics inside the books are also highlighted in both English and Punjabi, so both kind of readers can easily understand and read it. The headings, subpoints, questions, both, everything is highlighted in English as well as Punjabi. You can check this out. Topic names are also. So in the back side of the book, ETT second year and first year books of SCERT Punjab DLED are also given. You check them out. And the price of the book is just 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218, and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and check out other books also. You can buy this book from any available bookstore also nearby your location, and at 229.50 rupees only. You can also, if you have any query, you can go to the email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can also go to the website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. If you have any complaint regarding any book, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. and they will definitely sort out your query within very short time. So 229.50 is the only price of the book. Buy it on online or Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218219218, or buy it from bookstore. It's your choice. I highly recommend this diversity, gender and inclusive education book for 229.50. It's a ETD second year bestseller, Vinod Publications book in Punjabi medium, CERT Punjab, of the most trusted publishing firm, which is the Vinod Publications. I highly recommend this book. You should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.